Well, thank you very much indeed for coming along. And well, we saw that huge sell-off. Does it throw up a load of buying opportunities now, Mr. Susanto?
Yes, actually. Last week we experienced one of the worst week which we did. Sorry, Jakarta Consumer Index down by 11% last week. So it's actually much more catch-up laggard because the regional market is already having a correction, but now it's time for us to see the opportunity here in Jakarta.
Right, so, I mean, do you buy now? I mean, is it a situation where you don't want to hold on for a couple of weeks, where you actually want to be in the market because of the valuations for the longer term, let's say 6 months to a year?
We see some kind of potential value opportunity on the coal and the cement sector right now. After the correction for almost 2 months, we see some of the stocks is already trading at attractive valuation right now. For strategic allocation, we like consumer discretionary, we like consumer staples and financial, because this is much more beneficiary of Indonesia stable macro condition.
So you're buying into the whole idea that we're going to have a more consumer-orientated economy, a more domestically driven economy here as well. Is that the case?
Yes. In terms of the expected GDP growth, Indonesia is one of the highest in the region. We expect the GDP growth to grow above 6% this year. It is supported by the strong consumer demand, the stable easy monetary policy, the stable political condition, and also that we see the strong credit growth of above 25% and the lower government debt to GDP ratio below 25%. So it's much more supportive to the market condition. And also we have to consider the potential of rating upgrade for Indonesia in the near future because of the good condition in the macroeconomic.
Yeah, what about a rate cut people are talking about in the near term? That also feeds into your whole notion of the consumer side helping to support what's happening.
Yeah, we not actually expect any more rate cut until the remainder of the year because of the current quite low low rate in Indonesia. So we don't see any kind of more rate cut in the future. Maybe in the next 1 or 2 years, if the inflationary pressure is going down, there's a potential for another rate cut.
Yudhistia Susanto, just very quickly, give us your top holdings right now.
We have some holding on the Astra International, and also we have most of the stock of like BRI, Mandiri, and some of the coal stock, for example, like Indo Tambang Raya and Harum Energy.